What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone screen won't rotate, whether you're trying to switch between portrait and landscape mode, or your apps aren't rotating as expected. I guide you through a few solutions. First, let's make sure that portrait orientation lock isn't enabled. Sometimes, this feature can prevent your screen from rotating. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for the Portrait Orientation Lock button, which looks like a lock with a circular arrow around it. Tap the button to make sure it's off. When it's off, your screen should rotate freely when you turn your iPhone sideways. If turning off Portrait Orientation Lock didn't fix the issue, there may be a software-related problem. Let's update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS and restart your device. Open the Settings app and scroll down to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, proceed to download and install it. Once the update is finished, your iPhone will prompt you to restart. Do so, and check if the screen rotation issue is fixed. Next, make sure no active shortcuts are interfering with your screen rotation. Sometimes shortcuts can automate functions like Portrait Orientation Lock based on which app is open. Open the Shortcuts app. Review any active shortcuts that may change settings when you open certain apps. Disable any shortcuts that could be affecting your screen rotation. If none of the previous steps worked, you may need to reset all settings on your iPhone. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your data, but it will reset your settings like Wi-Fi passwords and home screen layout. Go back to the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. After entering your passcode, your iPhone will restart. This should fix the problem if your iPhone screen isn't rotating properly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.